All right, gang, very excited to show you this knife today. This was provided to me by 704 Tactical. I'm a longtime user and carrier of 704 Tactical knives. I absolutely love them. They reached out to me and asked me to give them some feedback on the version 2 of their very popular Urban Ranger line, and I have been looking forward to getting my hands on this knife, and I'm just gonna start off by telling you I absolutely love it, and there's some amazing changes that they've made to this knife. First of all, I work in a lot of wet environments. I actually do scuba diving quite a bit, and so I'm constantly around water and in wet environments. The old knife, they had a G10 handle on. Now with this version 2, they have what's called a Micarta handle, and in wet environments, it doesn't get slick like the old handle does. It's got a much better grip to it to help you if you are working in humid or wet environments like I do. The second improvement on this is actually the steel composition that they use in this. The new formulation of steel in this, it's the 14C28N version of the steel. It is less likely to corrode or rust. Still maintains its sharpness, still easy to sharpen, but it is a better knife for a wet environment like I often use my knives in. Third improvement that I love is actually the locking mechanism. The original Urban Ranger had the spine lock on the inside that you had to move with your hands. This actually has a lock built in to the handle itself, a pull down lock so that it unlocks and it's easy to put away. And like all 704 knives, they are lefty friendly. You can take this clip and move it around to the other side real nice and easy. It's got 2 little Allen wrench screws in there. Overall, I will say super easy to open, still very solid construction, feels very tight between the blade and the handle. There's no slippage there, no play in that. Overall, I'm so glad I have this knife. This is a knife that I will be using regularly. It's gonna go into my equipment bag so that whenever I'm there on a boat, on a shore, and in need of a knife with my scuba equipment, I've got one that is good to go. Think you should check it out. If you're looking for a great knife, 704 Tactical is the way to go.